Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy out of chicken drippings. Start by pouring pan drippings into a bowl and letting solids settle while you skim excess fat. Melt a spoonful of reserved fat with butter, then whisk in flour to form a roux. Gradually add warm stock while whisking. Simmer until thickened, then season to taste with salt, pepper, and a splash of acid. Create a reliable roux by measuring equal amounts of fat and flour and cooking them gently until they smell nutty. Keep the heat moderate and stir constantly with a whisk to avoid lumps and prevent scorching. Once the roux reaches your desired color, slowly drizzle in warm stock while whisking vigorously. Simmer the gravy until it coats the back of a spoon, then finish with seasoning and a taste test. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a great smelling car after cooking drives or grocery runs, and it makes a funny counterpoint to gravy aromas. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Deglaze the roasting pan to lift brown bits into your gravy for big flavor, then strain if you prefer a smooth finish. For a silkier texture, whisk in a splash of cream or an extra knob of butter at the end. If the gravy is too thin, simmer gently to reduce. If too thick, thin with a little warm stock. Taste as you go and adjust salt, pepper, or acidity to balance flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.